I am Miss Elora, and today I want to show you some stop motion videos that I made myself. I hope you like them. Hi, I hope you like my stop motion videos. As you saw, I just did a miniature one. So I hope you like them. It took a while to make them, like 2.5 hours to make it all together. Yeah, but it's harder than it looks because you have to move everything little by little, and then you have to run out film and then take a picture if you're doing it by yourself. It's easier with 2 people, but I was only doing it by myself because everyone else was busy. So I hope you like them.